Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix iOS 26 black screen issue on iPhone, where it's video on Instagram Reels, YouTube or Facebook plays sound but screen stays black. Let's get started. Solution 1. Update your apps and iOS. First, open the App Store app on your iPhone. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Then tap Update All and make sure your apps are up to date. Outdated app versions often cause this issue, especially with Instagram or YouTube. Go to Settings app, then tap on General, tap Software Update, and make sure iPhone is running the latest version iOS 26. Solution 2. Reinstall the problem app. If the black screen happens only one app like Instagram or Facebook, simply delete that app and reinstall from the App Store. This clear out any corrupt cache or all data that might be missing with video playback. Solution 3. Turn off low power mode and low data mode. Sometimes these modes limit your phone's performance and cause video playback issue. Go to Settings app, then tap on Battery. Here turn off low power mode. After that go back to Settings page, then tap on Cellular. Now tap on Secondary option and turn off low data mode. Solution 4. Reset all settings. If problem still doesn't go away, this step usually fixes it completely. Go to Settings app, tap on General, then scroll all the way down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap Reset. Tap Reset all settings. Again tap on Reset all settings to confirm. Don't worry, this won't delete your photos or data. It just resets system preferences like Wi-Fi, network and display settings. If you have tried everything and the screen still turns black during video playback, there's a chance your iPhone display or panel has a hardware problem. Sometimes the display connector or screen panel can cause black outage even when the sound works fine. And that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.